Welcome to another day in my life as a flight attendant, and I love it, and you're gonna love it too. All right, you guys, so I got a trip. Well, actually I picked up a 4-day. It got canceled, so then they rescheduled me for a 2-day. It turns out it's really a 1-day because I'm only working 2 legs today, and then I did head home tomorrow back to Washington. But I'm gonna see if I can head home to California instead, so we'll see how that goes. But how's your morning going? Hope it's going well. The airport's a little more busy, and my hair didn't turn out how I wanted to this morning. Y'all should have seen, but somehow I made it work. I think, maybe, I'm not sure. Right. Dang, my hair's too big. I couldn't even get somebody in the picture. But anyways, I'm headed to, oh wait, and this is where I'm going? Yeah, that sucks. I haven't had a layover here, and it's kind of long, but I can't do anything. I can't do it. Where am I? Because there's, like, I can't do anything. So it would kind of be a little bit of a waste. So I'm going to Houston. But right now, I'm going to Tampa again. I'm telling you, these people from Florida, Tampa, they don't care. They're taking their spring break vacation, because I was just in Tampa in the last vlog. So anyways, you guys, well, I'm not breathing hard, I'm not sure. So, but yeah, oh, you guys, it's been like so crazy, like literally, but like good. Like, I'm not stressing y'all. You got these little worried Wendy's, and I'm just over here like living the beast. You feel me? You feel me? Do ya feel me? All right, you guys, let me get up this hill, and I'll chat with you in a second. So my galley is secure. I put together my snack cart and my drink cart. And the drink cart's been modified because we're not we're not serving ice, nor are we serving any hot drinks. Neither are we actually pouring. So we're doing cans and bottles. That's it. So it's made doing service a lot easier, I'll tell you that. Yeah, other than that, we're getting ready to start boarding, and I'm gonna eat breakfast. Oh. Alright, you guys, so we have landed in Tampa. We have about an hour sit, and I'm going to heat up my lunch in the oven, and the cleaners are coming on, so make my way back the other way. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a good day. hope that you are. It's so loud, so I apologize. But anyways, yeah, to Houston we go. I'll see you right here. To Houston we go. I'll see y'all when we land right now. So it's empty.
Nobody's in here.
A TikTok video doing what?
You know how the flight attendants be in Chicago dancing?
Yeah. Which one though? The funny part is I made one earlier of me handing out earbuds.
Yeah, okay. Listen, step, being, ride, up, down. Come here, give me high five. Yeah, I love my guys. No question about it. We gon' ride away. We hit that groove. They say you so smooth, yeah, you so.
Yeah. Very shy. There's the
Oh, the babies.
Oh, yeah. The last
All right, you guys, I just got to my room. Let's see what we got. All right, you guys, sorry I'm coming back to you like this. However, I was getting ready to take my shower. I turned the shower on as always, and I look in the shower and it's freaking dirty. Like black dirt. And y'all know your girl don't play that, especially not now, not in this time. So I went downstairs and I politely asked for them to change my room because not only that, there was like, the room was not clean, you guys. So with that, I have a new room, which looks exactly the same. Let me show you. Well, it looks exactly the same, except for the bathroom. So let's cut to the bathroom. I got my sexy shower. I got my sexy shower. All right, I'm about to take my shower and I'll be back in a second. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day and it is, yeah, you guessed it right. I gotta go through security. I'll be right back. This is the first time I've actually been able to just walk through the airport because it's empty, you guys. So I guess let's take a look at the Houston airport. There's actually a couple planes that I can show you guys that are lined up, and it's really so sad looking at it, you know, like these are our babies. And when you really look at planes, they're really like beautiful. They're like beautiful pieces of man-made art. Like they really do look like birds. So let's take a look at the babies lined up. It's really sad, y'all. Can you guys see that? I gotta go, y'all. My food's getting cold. Love ya. Oh wait. See you in Chicago. All right, you guys, so we got upgraded to first class because no one wanted to give up their seats because they don't want to sit next to each other. So, see you in Chicago. I'm in Chicago, y'all. I'm in Chicago. We gotta hurry up and catch the next flight. I should see y'all when I'm back in Dulles. All right, you guys. This is my checking out. I am home now. It is about 6:30. So I have a nice little ride home, then back at it tomorrow morning for another trip. I love you guys. Take care of yourself. Love somebody else. And I'll see y'all in the next one.